This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your primary mouse button in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button in Windows 10, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left hand corner down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens here, you want to click on Devices. Then on the pane on the left hand side, you want to click on Mouse. And then right up top here, select your primary button. By default, it's probably set to the left. You can click that drop down. You can change it to right or to left, whatever you want to change it to. That is how to change your primary mouse button in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.